Today, we're going on an adventure through the jungle to meet 20 Congo rainforest animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest primate in the world and gentle giants at heart. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee shares almost 99% of its DNA with humans. African forest elephant. African forest elephant are smaller than savanna elephants and expert forest gardeners. Leopard. Leopards are amazing climbers that drag their food up into trees to keep it safe. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus can hold its breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Hornbill. Hornbill has a huge curved beak and helps plant new trees by spreading seeds. African gray parrot. African gray parrot are one of the smartest birds in the world. It can learn hundreds of words. Mandrill. Mandrills are the world's largest monkey with a super colorful face. Pangolin. Pangolin are covered in tough scales. When scared, it curls into a ball like armor. Civet. Civet cat are nighttime prowlers with a long body and a masked face. Forest buffalo. Forest buffalo are smaller cousin of the African buffalo, living deep in the trees. Congo peafowl. Congo peafowls are rare, beautiful birds found only in this rainforest. Duiker. Duikers are small, shy forest antelope that darts through the underbrush. Red River hog. Red River hogs have bright orange fur and fuzzy white ear tufts, and they love swimming in rivers to cool off. Nile monitor lizard. Nile monitor lizards are super swimmers with sharp claws for climbing, and they can grow longer than 6 feet. Congo clawless otter. Congo clawless otters use their sensitive front paws, not claws, to feel around and grab slippery fish and crabs underwater. Great blue Turaco. Great blue turacos are one of the biggest fruit-eating birds in Africa, with bright blue feathers and a bold red and yellow beak. Nile crocodile. Nile crocodiles are one of the biggest crocodile species in the world, and they can hold their breath underwater for over an hour. Colobus monkey. Colobus monkeys have long, flowing black and white fur and can leap over 20 feet between tree branches. The Brazos monkey. De Brazos monkeys have a fuzzy white beard and an orange crown, and they're masters of staying still and hidden to avoid predators. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!